Are you looking for the best hunting chairs? In this video we will look at some of the best hunting chairs on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Goplus Swivel Hunting Chair. The Goplus Swivel Hunting Chair is a hunter's dream come true, designed to provide convenience, stability, and comfort in the great outdoors. The chair features a 360-degree rotating design with a silent base, allowing you to stealthily observe prey in all directions without scaring them away. The swivel duck foot pads ensure stability on soft and uneven ground, making it an ideal choice for outdoor hunting. Versatility is key with adjustable legs that accommodate different terrains, ensuring you can maintain your preferred hunting position. The powder-coated metal frame adds durability, supporting up to 330 lbs, and making it a reliable companion in the wild. The chair goes the extra mile in providing comfort with a humanized mesh backrest that is both breathable and comfortable. Ergonomic armrests add an extra layer of relaxation, ensuring a pleasant hunting experience. Number 2. Gymax Folding 360 Degrees Silent Swivel Hunting Chair. Embark on your hunting adventures with the Gymax Folding 360 Degrees Silent Swivel Hunting Chair, a reliable companion designed for outdoor enthusiasts. Crafted from heavy-duty iron pipe, this chair boasts exceptional toughness and hardness, ensuring durability for extended periods of use in the rugged outdoors. The stable 4-foot base provides robust support, capable of holding up to an impressive 330 lbs, making it a sturdy and dependable choice for hunters of various sizes. One of the key features of this hunting chair is its 360-degree rotation function, allowing you the flexibility to freely adjust your position. Whether you need to scan the surroundings or track your prey, this swivel feature adds a dynamic element to your hunting experience. The metal connector enhances usability, enabling effortless and smooth rotations, ensuring that you can easily switch positions without any hassle. Number 3. Costway 360-Degree Silent Swivel Hunting Chair. The Costway 360-Degree Silent Swivel Hunting Chair is a game-changer for hunters seeking a stealthy and comfortable outdoor experience. Designed with a focus on convenience and functionality, this chair has undergone significant upgrades to enhance its overall performance. One notable improvement is the seamless integration of the base and seat, allowing for easy transport without the hassle of carrying separate components. The adjustable armrests set it apart from other hunting chairs, providing a customizable feature for added comfort during those long waiting periods. The standout feature of this hunting chair is its 360-degree silent swivel capability, allowing users to smoothly rotate the seat without making any noise. This is a crucial advantage in preventing startling prey and ensuring a successful hunting experience. The large 180 degrees swiveling duck feet further contribute to adaptability on various terrains, especially uneven and muddy grounds. Number 4. Goplus Swivel Hunting Chair. The Goplus Swivel Hunting Chair is a game-changer for hunting enthusiasts, offering a perfect blend of sturdiness, comfort, and convenience. With its innovative 4-leg design, this foldable chair provides exceptional stability, ensuring a secure and level seating experience even on soft ground. The 360-degree swivel feature adds a dynamic element to the chair, allowing hunters to easily adjust their position for a better vantage point. Constructed with a robust steel frame, the chair boasts an impressive weight-bearing capacity of up to 330 lbs, making it a reliable choice for hunters of varying sizes. The 4 large foot pads contribute to its stability, preventing it from sinking into the ground during use. This chair is not just a practical tool, it's also a thoughtful gift for those passionate about hunting, enhancing their overall experience in the field. Number 5. Hawk Big Denali Luxury Blind Chair. The Hawk Big Denali Luxury Blind Chair is a game-changer for hunters seeking the perfect vantage point. Designed with precision for the discerning hunter, this lounger chair offers a spacious and comfortable seat, ensuring optimal positioning for that crucial shot. The contoured, high backrest and molded foam armrests deliver unparalleled comfort, allowing hunters to remain focused and steady during extended periods. Silently swiveling 360 degrees, this chair facilitates effortless rotation, enabling hunters to adapt to any angle for a precise shot. The contoured mesh comfort backrest not only provides all-day support but also ensures breathability, keeping the user cool in the heat of the moment. Padded armrests enhance the lounging experience, making it an ideal choice for those moments of anticipation.